Have you all figured out by now that I do paw hands for everything? Have we all noticed that by now? Cool. I'm glad we're in this together. Hey y'all, I'm Coco Whit, and today we're talking about 3 healthy beverages that are so easy. All you have to do is add water. Throw all your excuses out the window, because if you can't pour a glass of water,
then something is wrong.
These health supportive beverages can boost your cognitive function, boost your immune system, boost your metabolism, boost everything. They're so good for you, and I don't need to say it again, they are so easy. Let's jump in.
Okay, we're gonna start with rosemary tea because this is as easy as it gets. First, you take a sprig of fresh rosemary, pour hot water over it, and then, here's the hard part, you let it sit. I usually cover it and come back to it 10 or so minutes later, and it's ready to go. Rosemary tea is earthy, sweet, mellow, and super comforting, and it has a ton of health benefits. But be careful, if you're pregnant, this drink may not be for you. Added bonus, if you brew up an extra large batch, use the leftovers as a hair rinse. It stimulates the scalp, promoting hair growth, and is known to help with dandruff and add shine. All you have to do is put it in a bottle and keep it in the fridge, put it over your hair at the end of your shower, and let it air dry. I'm sure you've heard by now of the many benefits of drinking warm lemon water, especially first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. It's a rich source of vitamin C, which makes it awesome for the immune system, and it has antibacterial properties. It helps cleanse the liver of toxins, acts as a digestive aid, among so many other benefits. Just slice up some lemons and add it to warm water, or if you don't have organic lemons, just squeeze some juice into a mug and pour some warm water over it. Ginger tea is another one of those drinks that is known for its numerous health benefits. Just take fresh ginger root and slice it up. You can even leave the peel on if it's organic. Put it into a pot of filtered water on the stove at medium heat for 10 to 15 minutes. And voila! Ginger tea has anti-inflammatory properties, it relieves nausea, helps support the immune system, and even improves circulation. And there you have it. All you have to do is add water, and you have 3 beverages that support your overall health in major ways. And this is just scratching the surface. Add local honey, trade out the rosemary for thyme or sage. The opportunities are limitless. Drink up!